Hi friends, this is Rajesh. Welcome to TechnoWorld. In this tutorial, I am going to say you about a program by which you can find the frequency of a particular character in a given string. So, frequency means how many characters a character is repeated for how many times in a particular string. By this program, you can find. So, let's start the program. First save the file. Here I'm going to just rename it as frequency of a character in a particular string. So first include all the header files as include stdio.h, no need of cuneo.h. So just write the main function and start the main block. So at first I want to declare all the variables which I have to use. First, in case of this program, I want to use a character data type, that's the string. So character string having a length of 1000. So here I'm just building the character is or the string is as a size of 1000. So it doesn't mean that it can occupy a particular value of 1000. It may be 1000, less than 1000. So the particular string is may be of 1000 entry, less than 1000. Then again a character c is, and then one integer I and another integer frequency QUENCY. So why I have declared all these four variables, will understand it when I will proceed through my program. Then I want to give a message to the user, printf, okay, enter the string. I want to give this message to the user by virtue of which he can enter the string. So then by using scanf I will take the string. Then scanf, I can just use gets function instead of scanf in case of string, as I know well. So gets just s, okay. Instead of it you can also use what, scanf %s, okay, scanf %s and then address of s, okay. You can also use this. So here you can skip this address symbol also, as you know well there is no need of address symbol in case of s, the string, okay. Then I want to give another message to the user, printf, enter the character whose frequency you want to find, okay. Now again scanf, I want to take this value. Scanf as I have entered character, so %c, and then this % stands for address of ch. We have already used the declared variable ch and the declared variable s1000, s. Then just I want to use a loop, that's for loop. So for I equal to 0, si is not equal to backslash, okay, \0. Why I have used \0 here? You know, the need of \0 is to detect the endpoint of any string, any word. So when I'm just entering any string like good, okay, like good, here after the word good, when I will use \0, it will detect that already the string is over, that after good there is nothing to print, there is nothing to scan in this string. So it is just the backslash 0 is just used to detect the endpoint of any string, any word. Then I want to I want to use an increment operator, that's I plus plus. After that start the for block. I want to just specify it, so shift it later. Okay. Then I will use a if statement, that's if ch equal to, please mark it carefully, this is the symbol of equal in C programming, and if I will omit one, this is the symbol of but assignment, not equal to. So here I am saying that character equal to SI. Okay, you all think what is the means of character equal to SI, as these two are only the characters, not any value. When I am writing this type of sentence, that character equal to SI, this type of condition, that character equal to SI, it means that the ASCII value of character is equal to the ASCII value of SI. When I am writing such two statement, what C equal to D, when the value of C and the value of D is in the data type of character, then it means the ASCII value of C is equal to the ASCII value of D. So it also means the same. If C is equal to SI, then I have already finished the if block. Then what will happen after this? I want to just increase the value of what frequency. Okay, so I want to increase the value of frequency. For this reason I want to initialize the value of frequency also. So initialize the frequency from 0. So the value of frequency starts from 0, and in every successful run of this for loop, the value of frequency will increase by only 1. That means when this for loop will run for the first time, the value of frequency will be 1, and after that the value of frequency will be 2, and so on. So after the running of this for loop, I just want to print the message to the user, that's printf what the frequency of %C is %D. Okay, the first %C stand for CH and the second %D stand for the frequency QUENCY. Okay, it is all about my program. Again read it. Character is 1000 CH. I just declared the variables here. Then I gave two message to the user that enter the string, by the virtue of which the user can know that I have to enter a string. Then I just use the scanf function, gets function. The gets function you can use only for the string. Then I again use a printf statement to give a user to the message to give a message to the user that whose frequency you want to find. That's enter a character whose frequency you want to find. Then I just take the value by using the scanf function. Then I just used a for loop, and that for loop will start from I equal to 0 to SI equal to \0. That means this for loop will continue till the character in the string ends, and it will increase by once in a time, as I have included I plus plus. Then I start the for block, and in for block I just use a if statement. That's a condition, that if C is equal to SII, that means if the ASCII value of C is that the character which I have entered is equal to any of the ASCII value of the character in the particular string, then I just assign that the frequency should increase for one time. That's the frequency was 0, it should be 1, it should be 2, and so on. After that already I got the value of the frequency of that particular character, that particular CH, and after this I want to just print the message, that's the frequency of %C, that the frequency of CH is frequency. So now compile it. Okay, it is compiling and already compiled in 2.38 seconds. Then run it. Okay, get the See the message now. Enter the string. I am entering good. Good. Then enter the character whose frequency you want to find. I just enter O. Now see the frequency of O is 2. So see here, in case of good I have used 2O. So it gives such like a output that the frequency of O is 2. Okay, then run again. Okay, it compiled in 0.80 second. Then run it. Okay, enter the string. I'm entering a string attitude. Okay, enter the character whose frequency you want to know. I'm entering the character T. See this, the frequency of T is 3. That's in case of attitude, the repetition of T is 3. That's T is used thrice in case of attitude. Then compile it again. Okay, it already compiled in 0.75 seconds. Then run it. Okay, now I'll see what will be the output if the particular character which I will enter in the form of CH, if that not in the string, what will happen? So again I'm entering the character, sorry, the string as good. Enter the character whose frequency you want to find. Just I will enter such a character whose character is not in the good. That I can enter anything like W. So see this, the frequency of W is 0. That's there is no W in writing the character. Yeah, sorry, to writing the string. Yeah, to writing the character good. Okay, it is all about the program. By using this program, you can find the repetition of any character in a particular string. Yeah, in a particular word. You can also find the frequency of any character in a particular sentence by using a enum function. I will explain it in my later tutorial. So thanks for watching my video. If you want this type of update, please stay subscribed to my channel, that's the Techno World, and like and share my videos among of your friends. Thank you.